Ever thought like a detective? Math isn't just about numbers, it's about cracking codes and solving mysteries. The secret weapon is logical reasoning, the skill used to find the one single truth. As Sherlock Holmes said, when you have eliminated the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth. This detective work is called deductive reasoning. It's about using solid facts to reach a 100% certain conclusion. For instance, all apples are fruits. This object is an apple, therefore, it must be a fruit. Its cousin, inductive reasoning, just looks for patterns, like seeing only white swans and assuming all swans are white, an assumption that could be wrong. To solve puzzles with certainty, we stick with deduction. But what about complex cases with lots of clues? Trying to hold everything in your head is a recipe for confusion. That's where a logic grid comes in. Imagine three friends, Anne, Bob, and Cam, and three fruits, an apple, banana, and cherry. The clues are Cam ate the banana and Bob did not eat the cherry. We pull out our grid. First, we mark a yes for Cam and the banana. This immediately means Anne and Bob didn't eat it, so we mark no for them. Now we look at Bob. We already know he didn't eat the banana, and a clue tells us he didn't eat the cherry either. By eliminating those two impossibilities, only one option remains. Bob ate the apple. This same process of elimination powers games like Sudoku. It's not about arithmetic. It's about finding the only space a number must go because all other options are ruled out. Logic is the glue. It's about taking one fact, adding it to another, and building an unshakable conclusion. So whether it's a simple riddle or a complex grid, the strategy is the same. Stay organized, eliminate the impossible, and the truth will reveal itself.